Hi everyone, my name is Amy Daigle and I am in my first year, actually my first 3 days, as an AP at East Alexander Middle School. I am coming from 9 years teaching experience in science in a high school. And so it's going to be a very new experience. I hear that middle school is a whole new breed. I'm excited about my new position, but a little anxious to know what I'm doing. And I really think that this course will be able to help me do that. I'm interested to learn how to switch my leadership skills from the classroom, department chair, whatever that may be, into buses and discipline and lunch accounts and budgets. So I'm hoping that this course will help me do that. Fun fact about me, I have 2 children, and both of my boys are named after Appalachian State football because I'm a major Appalachian State football fan. In fact, my husband and 2 children and I do season tickets to that as well. My oldest son's middle name is Brewer after Kid Brewer Stadium, and my youngest son's middle name is Owen after Owens Fieldhouse. So I hope you enjoyed that fun fact. I look forward to working with you.